Hey guys, this is Rupesh Patil here from Be Social. So in this video, we will know about health and fitness. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you about the definition of health and fitness, the importance of health and fitness, and how to stay fit and healthy. So let's get started. So let's started with health. So what is health? The health is when the body and mind are well organized, the meaning there are no disease, sickness, or pain and we can do our usual tasks properly and neatly. Why health is important? So, for health, the body and mind should be healthy, and social health should be good. The good health or health is not just a prescription, but a body and mind state that leads to be happy and happy life. Disease become worse than health imbalance occurs. A person who is physically, mentally, physical capability of carrying out his social role is considered healthy. Therefore, the functional fitness is the key to fitness. Tips to stay healthy. The first one is diet. Regular and balanced diet with nutrition, mineral, and other elements in the daily diet provides the health benefits to the individual. For those who are on intensive diet, the chances of brain damage are 21% lower. Drink plenty of water. Eat plenty of fiber-rich fruits and vegetables. The second one is hygiene. The hygiene of persons eating and drinking can lead to health. The disease like malaria, gastro, etc. emerge from uncleanness. Individuals and the public should take care of hygiene on the personal and public level, which leads to better health. Entertainment. Entertainment brings the happiness to the person, mental health benefits. When a person is depressed, he or she supports the entertainment. The proper recreation benefits a person physically, mentally, and physically. Listen to music or singing reduce the stress, anxiety, and pain. It is also said to be effective in lowering blood pressure. Exercise. It can help improve your health, healthy and long-term health benefits from the regular and proper exercise. Increase the immunity. Physical exercise is important for your overall health. Exercise improves the function of your brain, which positively accelerate the growth of brain cells. Adequate sleep. Rest is just important as exercise. There is an intimate correlation between the health and relaxation. A person body is not a machine. Until a certain time, a person can do only one job. Again, she gets tired. Then rest is needed. Getting the necessary sleep feels energized and help improve the performance. The mood is good. The immune system increases. Job. It is very important to have mental satisfaction while working. Mental health and work environment are also affecting the health. Therefore, working in happy environment adds to the excitement and also increase the efficiency. The environment. Ambient conditions affect health. Healthy status can be elevated if the environment where the individual, family, social, culture, and social status can be balanced. So, in this way, the above these are the important for the health of the person. A person lives his life without any medical treatment. The same person is really rich in all the respects. A person who has lots of money and if he makes it through the disease, It is difficult for such person to make a living. People in all communities are sick with this disease, therefore they affect the overall development of the country. Rather than improving the wealth, deteriorates care is in the hands of each one of us to prevent deterioration. Called the take your health in your hand. Take care of yourself. So the next part is fitness. So what is fitness and why it is important? The lacks of fitness can be easily described, and it is even walking a little is a symptoms of shortness of breath, weight gain, lethargy, lack of movement, and the lack of agility. The strength is one side of muscle strength and power, stamina. That means asthma, flexibility are other aspects of fitness. So staying fit is easier for young people than it is for older people, particularly particularly when there is no year-long exercise and then a sudden need for fitness. When it comes to knowing the importance, one has to find a way to fit the needs according to the person health. You also have to bring all your organs to that extent. During such exercise, it is noticed that the person heart rate, pulse examination, blood pressure tests are also improved. The fitness has thus become an essential part of humankind, and its importance is increasing day by day. How you can stay fit? The first is gym. A gym is a club, building, or large room with specialized equipment where people go to exercise and get fit. Then Zumba. Zumba dance is an exercise fitness program. Zumba is a full body cardio and aerobics exercise which consumes a lot of calories. According to one study, a person burns 300 to 900 kilos of calories through the Zumba exercise. Because Zumba offers different options, supporters of the Zumba programs claims that it is safe for all ages. Some classes are specially aimed at the elderly, helping them to build strength, improve mobility, and improve their husbands. Zumba can help reduce the risk of heart disease, lower blood pressure, and lower bad cholesterol, and increase the good cholesterol without the high benefits of high calorie. And aerobics. Step aerobics is a form of aerobic exercise that uses a low elevated platform. Step height, ri- riser heights to suit individual needs. Many gym classes offers a step aerobics. Step aerobics can also be added to the dance games such as aerobics, dance revolution, or in the group using dumbbells. Jogging. Jogging is a form of running in which one runs slowly and comfortably. It means purpose is to increase the body fitness. This is this does not create stress on the body as a result of running fast. And benefits of jogging. Jogging is not only improves your health, but jogging also works to improve your personality. By jogging daily, the level of oxygen in your body is right. You are physically fit, which naturally boosts the confidence. Daily jogging is very beneficial for diabetes. Jogging regularly for 15 to 30 minutes keeps your body blood vessels organized, which reduce the risk of heart attack stroke. Sports. Playing promotes the physical development and the strength mentality. Sports is a physical art. The sports should be played for at least half an hour every day. Playing with the school is important for school children, so sports should be included in the school study. The sports is good for health. Sports is an important part of life. Stretching. Stretching is essential for the exercise and for fitness. Don't think stretching is a type of warm-up. When stretching the body in the terms of exercise, stretching is not warm-up. Take a few minutes to stretch for 5 minutes, not a bit of jogging or cycling. If you find that exercising a particular muscle is consistent in your daily routine, don't miss out on exercising that muscle. Keep in mind that he will be more capable by emphasizing certain muscles and organs. Benefits for stretching help maintaining helps maintain the muscles balance, increase the flexibility. Therefore, the sitting system and the sitting system also improve. The flexibility while doing some day-to-day activities or playing does not hurt. The blood supply to the muscle becomes regular and smooth due to flexibility. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to share with your family, friends and relatives. So like, share and comment. So thank you. Be strong and be social.